presenting the 2007 Toyota Avalon. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear seat center armrest, front anti-roll bar, steering wheel mounted AC controls, overhead airbag, overhead console, bumpers, body color, variably intermittent wipers, and delay-off headlights. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.